will guide you through how to download Fortnite on Android device. If you find this guide useful, don't forget like and subscribe. Fortnite is not available in the Play Store, so you need to download Epic Games Launcher first. Open your settings and scroll down to find the apps option. Locate Chrome in the list and open its settings. Scroll down to Install Unknown Apps and toggle the switch on. Exit the settings and open Chrome. Search for Epic Games and visit the official Epic Games website. Press Install, then install on Android. If it says file might be harmful, press Download anyway. Open File and install Epic Games Launcher. After that, open Epic Games Store and search for Fortnite. Please pay attention to the system requirements as your device may not be able to run the game. Click Install button and wait for the download to finish. If Epic Games Store asks for installation rights, do it the same way as with Chrome. Open the game and it will start downloading the rest of the data. After that, you will be able to enjoy the game. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.